everybody, it's CJ. Today I'm working on this 20 by 16 inch canvas that has been previously used, and I'm not happy with the result, so I'm going to paint over it. It's perfectly fine. I'm going to do a continuous ribbon pour. This is a technique I have been using as of late, where I mix the paints in the bucket and I begin pouring here and then continue back and forth down the canvas before I begin tilting. So I will start adding my color, and I'm going to give you the colors as I use them. They have all been mixed, 1 part paint to 1 part Floetrol. And I only have silicone in the gold and the gray. So the first one is white from Color Place. I'm putting quite a bit of that. This is a self-mixed brown, and I'll give you the recipe in the description. Then I have slate gray from Color Place. Hope you can see that. This is 14 karat gold by Folk Art. I decided to go with some earthy colors today. This is Sahara from Color Place. I'm adding some more white. Oops, big old lump just fell in there. Ebony from Color Place. And I'm going to finish it off with some more white. Okay, here goes. Oh, pretty so far. I think I have plenty of paint on here. Oh, look, it's beautiful. I get this corner, I'm sorry if you can't see that. And then back to your side. And let me center it. I love that. That is just beautiful through here. I hope you can see that. So pretty. I think I have just the right amount of paint on here. So I don't need to tilt it any longer. Thank you for watching this very short and sweet video. I will leave you a link to my website as well as my Facebook page in the descriptions. Please leave any comments or questions you have in the comment section below. And I will see you next time. Bye!